Hey everyone, it's Gamliel and welcome to my recap about the markets and the hottest stocks that will be interesting for the day of the 4th in June 2019. First of all, the markets, we're seeing here a pretty good fight on the support levels here on the 272, 273 on the SPY. We can see also the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq is going down hard with the Facebook investigation. Facebook is down almost 80%, 8%, and the Nasdaq was really putting pressure on the markets. I think the markets are for the. If we're looking further about the markets, I think we're going. We will need to get down more, but first of all, it will be great if we will get a few correction pullback days that will give the next wave of decline to a bit more energy. Let's talk about the hottest stocks. First of all, cannabis stocks, TGC, also Crohn, which is Cronus, and the ACB, which is Aurora Cannabis, and TLRY, Tilray. All of these ones going down hard. CGC with another 4% decline yesterday, so it's still looking good for a move down. It's more interesting about the move there about the few days swing. In the intraday, you can see it's pretty extended after like 4 days of declining. Next one is Soly, SOLY. SOLY skyrocketed hundreds of percentage up next previous week, and now we can see it go down. The high was 29 and now we are at 15. That means we are at 50% down from the highs, which could get us to the dead cat bounce day, which is a day that we will see jump of 5, 10, 20%. Short sellers buying back their positions, and also stupid money try to make an average on the stock. I'm pretty suspicious about this one, about Saudi, because we got already 2 days that it tried to go up but didn't succeed. So you should need to pay attention for this one. Next one is ELTK. ELTK is looking much more suitable for dead cat bounce. We can see the surge from $1.50 to the almost $12. Now we're at $5.75, which means also 50% from the highs. We have news from the end of May, the news of the financial quarter of 2019, the first quarter results. So it will be suitable for 1 day of dead cat bounce. So I recommend to follow ELTK and see how the price actions goes. And next one is CFMS. CFMS is a bit extended up. We saw it breaking out at 3.85, but couldn't get over the 3.94, the $4 level. We don't have direct news, but the news are from the last month. We have two reports, one of the of 2018 financial results, and the other one the first quarter of 2019. And we can see CFMS still going up, but a bit extended. Pay attention for this one. One of the stars of yesterday, LGCY. LGCY going up 320%, 82 million shares exchanged hands, and 92 million on the float, almost $100 million in market cap. And we can see we have news from the 1st of June, and you can see here the last day was the 31st of May, and yesterday was the first day we traded after the news came out at the 1st of June. So LGCY should be interesting for today. We can see it went a little bit higher from the 0.53 to 0.58. So it will be on the one of the hottest stocks for today. And next one is GNCA, just a small, just a tiny 1 minute thing about GNCA. We can see GNCA, first of all, we have a reverse split a few days ago on GNCA. We can see the released news at the pre-market, and the stock just skyrocketed in the pre-market. Look at this, from $7 to $12, and we see low float, low market cap. So we can see, we always see this in this small cap, the surge up and the price couldn't hold. So GNCA going another going down all the day. I think there is almost nothing to do with GNCA, because all this move happened at the pre-market, and now the stock declined. It finished almost just 20% up, so it will not be relevant for a dead cat bounce, because we saw this weakness all day. But just a reminder for the move yesterday, because we had it at 100% up, GNCA. Next one we have MDXG. MDXG continues to push up, as we can see it from the bottom, going up. Float 98 million shares on the float. As we can see here, we have news. The main news are from this one, from the 32 May. As we can see, this news caused the stock to break out the 3.5 and going up until the $5. The money, let's say that the exchange hands rate, the float rotate rate is a bit extended, and we need to see them a little bit stable, get more stable, maybe a few days, but it is definitely interesting stock, MDXG. The next one is MRTX. MRTX is at all-time high. Large cap $3 billion, market cap 35 million shares, float which is pretty medium low float for a stock like this, which you can see is one of the reasons the price can go up more easily. But we finished at the bottom half of the range of the day. We also have news. You can see the different conferences on MRTX, so it will be also interesting for today. ABIO, another one. ABIO could be interesting for today. Just one thing that you need to learn from ABIO. This is a move, we call it Rising Dead, which is a stock that surged up with news, then went down. We had our dead cat bounce days here at ABIO. It was a pretty impressive moves here, and then look at this, from the 16th, 15th, 18th dollar, we can see the stock going down without any spiking days or big volume, going down to the levels we are more than 50% down from the last highs. And then at the first day we can see the volume going up and the stock going up, the short sellers covering their positions, and also stupid money try to make an average, so we can see the stock pushing further up. But it's just one day. I don't think it will have a continuation on ABIO, but anyway, we will need to follow. And next one, last stock, VISL. VISL surged up. Look at the market cap, tiny market cap, $5.4 million, 1.73 on the float. We can see the news from yesterday at VISL, and look at this. Look at the aftermarket, we went up a bit. and VISL, of course. You can see the news. Okay, the news were at 3 p.m. Pay attention for that. This is important. So from 3 p.m. And we see this surge up. So let's see if we will have a continuation move today. Look at VISL. We are coming from let's see it. Look from where VISL is coming from. This is the weekly chart. Okay, this is the weekly chart. And if I will go further, look at where we've been. Pretty high and one of the biggest volumes at the last years in VISL, bottoming. So let's see if it can hold this move and make another continuation move today. That's it. So we have CGC, SOLY, ELTK, CFMS, LGCY, GNCA, MDXG, MRTX, ABIO, and VISL. I will wish you the best of success, and we will meet next time. Bye bye.